Okay, good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you examples on how to write parallel lines and perpendicular lines given a point and a line parallel to it. So with this, I'll be starting with a formula which you're going to use x minus x sub 1. So this will be our formula right here. We're in your y sub 1 and your x sub 1 will be from the point given. So y, this will be your x and this will be your y. Your x and y will come from this. Okay, your x sub 1 and your y sub 1 will come from this one. Okay, and another thing that you should remember, you should also know the slope of the given line. So in this case, this is already in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, or the slope-intercept form. Our slope here is 6. Okay, so once you figure those things out, this is your x sub 1, this is your y sub 1. All you need to do is to substitute all of them in this formula right here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Your y sub 1 is 3. And since your slope is 6, you put 6 out here. Remember, for parallel lines, the slopes are equal. So we put 6. The same thing. Write down the x sub 1 is 1. And all you need to do is to simplify them. So the question here is to write it in slope-intercept form. So just like the y-intercept form, simplify further. It will look like this, 6x minus 6. Process of elimination. So your line will look like this. That's it. So again, take note, for lines that are parallel, they have the same slope. So that's why we're using 6. Another example for lines that are parallel to one another, given the point and the line, let's find another line parallel to this. So let's label this first. This is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. Our slope here is negative 8 over 3. Let's write our formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to n x minus x sub 1. All we need to do is to substitute after that. So copy the y. Your y sub 1 here is 5. Our slope is negative 8 over 3. Our x sub 1 is negative 3. Okay, so once you have substituted, simplify. Next, so we have negative 8 x over 3. So this becomes plus, since that's double negatives. If we multiply this to this, the 3 cancels its others out. So minus 8. Okay. Process of elimination, plus 3, that cancels out. Therefore, your line will look like this, negative 8 thirds x minus 3. So once again, if you notice, this line is parallel to the given line by looking at the slope. Their slopes are equal. Negative 8 thirds, negative 8 thirds. Okay? What